Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Moving to a new country can be exciting. Moving from a big city to a small country and even smaller village can be very peaceful but also challenging. It's nice to see our kids running around outside and exploring the forest, but there are also many things I miss. Sometimes I just take the train to the next city and enjoy a day out. I guess many things that I miss one day are the next things I'm happy to have. Like it's nice to live in a quiet place, but sometimes it drives me crazy and I just wanted to hear all those noises from the city. The sound of the police driving down the street, people screaming or laughing outside of their house, loud music playing from somewhere. It feels like there is life around. You're never alone. If you need something in the city, for sure you find a store that is open. It's not already closed at 6 p.m. Also, you are anonymous in the city, of course. You have people that know you, but if you move there, no one is gonna realize in the small town, I was the new guy for a long time. Everyone knows who I am, or at least they thought they knew. Everyone is talking about their neighbors. If anyone in your neighborhood ends up in the hospital, everyone's gonna know what happened. Lost your job? For sure your neighbors already know. But new underwear, they already know. So sometimes it's just nice to be unknown and one of them. Small town life can be pretty boring. Stores close early. If you're lucky, there is one small cinema with 1 or 2 movies a day. No big mall or crowded coffee place. Some days it's like there is nothing to do. Going to the city, even if it's just for a few hours, gives me a bit of my home. I used to take the bus a lot in the city, so I like to finish my trip with a bus instead of a train. Coming back to the town, but a part of me will always miss the big city. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try to show you a little bit of my routine here. And don't miss the other videos and see you next time. Bye bye.